Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable high quality streaming on Netflix app HD. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app and open it. Of course, you should have an account. And after that, go and click on My Netflix. And after that, you can click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on App Settings. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called Video Quality. You have to click on it. And here you have two choices. The first one is the standard, and standard is better if you want your videos to download faster and use less storage. And if you want high quality, it will use more storage and it will take more time to download. And also, if you use high quality streaming, it will take more from your internet. So if you are using 4G or 5G mobile network, it will take more internet from your phone. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.